Welcome back to Product Zone. So this is a work light, really bright. Works with Milwaukee batteries in here. It's pretty bright. It goes from bright to a little bit dim white and then bright yellow and a lower yellow, which I'm going to show you guys right here. See that? And that's the yellow right here. So this is good if you're working in the garage, you're working nighttime, you're working in the basement, or even outdoor. Especially if you're doing like a home mechanic, this is something good. If you do not have the battery, for some reason my battery's not working, it could also work with a regular phone charger, like an Android charger. I'm gonna leave the in the description box. This is a really good affordable light if you do not want to go after like a name brand light like Milwaukee or DeWalt or something. You could pay much cheaper for this light. What I like about it, it stands in place. I'm gonna show you guys right here. So it stands in place and you could adjust the head whichever level you want it, upside or wherever you turn it, and it stays in place. Also, you have this handle from the back right here that moves up and down, so you could hold it for someone if you have your buddies working out. It's a good quality. It's very light. It's 90 watt, I believe. The price was really good. It has a switch. It has a, I'm going to show you. It has right here that you could plug in your phone, a USB, and you could plug in your flashlight, and you could charge all of them through here with the Milwaukee battery. All right, so I cut off the light, and you could see how bright this thing is. And as I tell you, one hand, very light. So scary, but it's really bright. It's a good light, especially if if you are a handy person, or if in case of an emergency in your home, the power surge go out and you need a nice light that could stand up by itself, or in any backup or anything. This is a good light overall. For price and details, check in the box below. Really good quality of light. Product Zone, honest review, thumbs up, affordable price. Check in the description box. Always, it'll take you to Amazon. And if you're new, welcome to Product Zone. We do honest review. We test out the product to show you guys right here. This is all that comes in the box. There's no battery included in this one.